Hello, welcome again to our MOOC, Technical Drawing for Mechanical Engineering. We start with Module 4, Part Features. Welcome to this Module 4 of our MOOC, Part Features. And this Module 4 will be divided in 3 units as well. First unit, the most common features, the international standards. Unit 2, the tangent features. And Unit 3, repetitive and angular features. Let's start with Module 4, Unit 1, the most common features and international standards. What is a feature? A feature is a combination of primitives that, for reasons of standards, performance, or manufacture, have a specific representation and dimensioning. Most features are made to accommodate a standard element. How has a feature represented? How has to be represented? The feature geometry is represented in the normal way, regular way, but with some specific dimensions. Most features have their dimensions established by standards. Typical features: keyway, key set, conical shaft ends, countersink, counterbore, splines, safety ring groove. The countersink and counterbore. ISO 15786 refers to counterbores and countersinks dimensions and representation. This representation can be graphic or simplified symbolic. The keys. ISO 2492, R773 and R774 refers to the key types, dimensions and representation. The most common keys are parallel, type A round-ended and type B straight-ended, and circular wood groove. Some keys have an inclination to produce a wedging effect. Shaft key set representation and dimensioning. The nominal diameter D marks the following: the width B, the depth T1, and a group of admissible lengths 1. Half keyway representation and dimensioning. Like in shaft key set case, the nominal diameter D marks the keyway width B, the keyway depth T2. The inclination is constant at 1 to 100. The shaft conical ends. DIN 1448 refers to conical ends. The representation only needs a reference with the dimensions and a standard identification. The cone has a fixed conicity of 1 to 10. Splines. Standard ISO 14 refers to splines. The representation can be simplified and dimensioning is reduced to a reference that must contain the standard identification, the number of splines N, the minor diameter D, and the major diameter D. B is the spline width. 1 is the useful length of a spline and needs its dimension. Safety ring groove. Standard DIN 471 refers to the external safety rings, also named circlips, for shafts. The shaft diameter D marks the dimensions of the groove, with M in a diameter D2. Let's summarize this Unit 1 of Module 4. What have we learned? We've learned that a feature is a combination of geometry for a specific purpose. Some features come from the need of pairing standard element, like keys, screws, circlips, etc. In these cases, the feature representation takes the relevant dimensions from the standards. In other cases, the feature refers to the shape and area of the part that forms a pair male and female, like threads, splines, conical ends. In these cases, regular dimensioning is substituted by reference to the standard.